What's up guys? In this tutorial we will do photo manipulation using Apple in Photoshop. Open image. Image link is provided in description. Create copy of Apple image. Then add mouth image using place embedded. Adjust the image accordingly. Create copy of image. Hide top layer. Select lasso tool and select mouth area. Then add layer mask. Press Ctrl and click on Layer Mask to enable selection. Hide the layer. Go to Select option. Choose Modify, then Contract. Follow settings. Delete the selection part. Select Apple and Mouth layer using Shift key. Go to Edit. Select Auto Blend layer. Follow settings. Drag blend layer to top. Add layer mask. Then select Brush tool. Follow above settings. Make sure foreground color is black. Start brushing on teeth. Press Ctrl-Alt-Shift+E key to get merged layer. Select Healing Brush tool. Select the sample area using Alt+Click. And start brushing to heal the edges. And boom, we are done with it. Try it out guys. If you guys like my content, subscribe to my channel.